Morning guys, it's recovery day again. I'm out with the dog. 2 miles, nice and gentle, really easy. Got a bit of a moan for you this morning, a bit of a gripe. It's a beautiful sunny day here, so what have I got to complain about? Well, I'll tell you what I've got to complain about. I'm unhappy with the amount of students who are saying to me that they're really busy right now and they don't have time to do the work. First of all, that's BS. And I'll tell you why it's BS. Here is all the time that you are now saving. When you were in school and training, you were wasting loads of time, and here's where that time was. You were travelling to and from school, you were moving between classrooms, you were having after-school practices and training sessions, which you're now not having. You were travelling to your club to train and or practice and or, train and or play, I should say. You were travelling to away matches and back. You're doing none of these things now. You are doing none of these things now. So you have loads of time. If you still think that you are really busy, then set your alarm for 15 minutes earlier in the morning and do that 4 times over the next 10 days. In 2 weeks' time, you will comfortably be awake early enough to have an extra hour in your day. You don't even need to do work on your maths for an hour each day. That would be excessive. All we expect from you is 2 to 3 30 to 45 minute sessions per week. That's it. 2 to 3 45-minute sessions per week. That is how you get the benefit. Lots of people are also saying to me, oh, I've got lots of schoolwork. Boo-hoo, it's cover work. A teacher sets you some work and you're off to do it independently. There is a limit to how much learning can take place independently at your age, and in particular with subjects like mathematics. You need to be shown how to do things. Unless you happen to be locked down with an outstanding maths teacher, your maths is almost certainly getting worse if you are not doing the work that we've set you. Your schoolwork, I've been there, I've set cover work. It's at best of average quality. All right, the work that we've set you, the work that we've produced for you, isn't corona work. This isn't new. I spent 6 years teaching online full-time, and I've taught online part-time for 10 years. 6 years I've taught via camera or video link, not 6 minutes or 6 weeks like teachers or whoever is trying to help you now. All right, we're doing this a long time. We've put together to you a programme that is proven to help you improve your grade at GCSE Maths. Stop making excuses, guys. Get on and do the work. You have loads of time. There's plenty of fat in your days right now. Stop wasting it. Get up earlier and get on with the work. There is time. Make time. Sarah Hollins, Wicked Maths.